All right, a few new people in the room, and we've probably made some changes, so I'm gonna go through this real quick. Okay, so free Pitbull stock alerts. This is just where I drop a free watch list, usually most mornings. So stuff to keep an eye on during the day. Ideas. The futures alerts group is an actual chat where we talk about futures moves, futures markets. The Pitbull alerts is going to be economic data from all over. It's going to be breaking news. It's going to be earnings reports. It's going to be everything you would need to know from like a squawk. Then we got your options trades. These are going to be the actual options trades that I'm placing every day. So in the morning, I try and drop the economic calendar for the day, even though you'll get that with the breaking news. It's going to be able to plan ahead there. And then as the day goes on, I'll usually start dropping some trades in here that I'm entering or exiting. And I don't always take profit publicly. Like, I don't always post that I'm taking profit. Sometimes I just see something and I cut it. So you have to have some sense there. Use your own brain to know when to take profits. If you have to ask, though, that's when you're going to go in here in the Pitbull day trades and scalps. This is where you can talk about any trades. You can ask about ideas. You'll see, like earlier, I just posted that I was looking for a short entry on a firm, probably like talking about a future idea. So you can keep an eye on it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, as soon as this thing tops out, because it ran pretty hard today. It's getting a bit overbought. But just talk about anything in here. Really try and keep it focused on trading, but pretty much talk about anything in there. And then Pitbull futures, this is where I'm actually going to put whenever I'm entering a futures trade. If I'm entering these micro trades like this MES, those are usually longer term swing trades. And if you want to trade SPY or QQQ instead of this, because you just want to focus on options, you can. I would highly recommend using futures. They're much more lucrative and they make a lot more sense from a tax perspective and from a getting funded perspective and a lot of other perspectives. But basically, ES, MES are going to correspond with SPY and the S&P, SPX, and NQ, MNQ is going to correspond with QQQ and the NASDAQ. IWM is going to, or RTY is going to correspond with IWM and the Russell 2000. And CL is crude oil. That's going to correspond with most oil stocks, but USO, Occidental, Oxy, all those. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to just drop them in the day trades chats, and everybody will get you together.